Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to our channel and welcome to another video where in today's one we're taking a look at the github.com website. I'll be showing you guys how can you change your branch's name or how can you add a new branch into your repository. So let's jump right into it. First things first, open up your GitHub's profile, and on the left hand side you'll choose the repository that you want to work on. Then in order to find the branches, from here, you will navigate on to the fork setting right here. As of now, I'll just show you on an example since I cannot create forks because this is my own repository and not an organization. So simply you will click on this drop-down menu and find branch. Once you click on branch, you will click on view all branches. And in that section, it kind of looks something like this. Right here, you will see a create a new branch. The button will be exactly green as this one is. And that way you can create a new branch, give it a name and manage it from there. So again, from this setting, from this menu, drop down and then click on branches and you'll be able to create a new branch. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this video and for following along. If you enjoyed it, leave it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.